Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laree. If you're new here, welcome. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back to another video. So what you're going to see in this video is me taking out my cornrows. We Jamaicans, we say cornrow. And for those who don't know, the word is really cornrow. For all my Jamaican supporters who are watching this video, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to show you how to take your cornrows to the next level with a flawless braid out look. Whether you're rocking your hair loose or styling it into something fun, this tutorial is for you. So let's jump right into the video. Well, I started out by moisturizing my hair and then I cornrow it, right? And then now I'm gonna pull it out. So if your hair feels a little dry, grab your favorite leave-in conditioner or curl cream and a lightweight oil. I'm using Carol's Daughter product, and I use this product because I feel like it works well with my hair and I don't have a problem with it. It really moisturizes my hair, so I really love Carol's Daughter's product. So make sure you lightly mist your hair if needed, then smooth the product over your braids to avoid frizz during the takedown. Now for the fun part, taking out the braids, I always start from the ends and gently work my way up to keep my waves defined. I like to coat my fingers with a bit of oil. Trust me, this is the key to reducing frizz and adding shine.
I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. Live life like it's a piece and break the rules. I wanna wake up in the morning.
Alright, so now that the hair is giving everything it's supposed to, it's time to add a little makeup to tie the look together. So I'm keeping it simple, natural and glowing, and you know my look is gonna be perfect for any occasion. Right now I am really getting ready for work, and you know you still have to put little of this and little of that on your face. So first thing first, I did my skin prepped. I applied my favorite moisturizer and primer to keep my makeup looking fresh all day long. A smooth base is everything. Always remember that. I'm going in with a lightweight foundation and for a tinted moisturizer to even out my skin tone. I like to keep it light and breathable for that natural finish. Alright, now to finish up the look, I am just shaping my brows. Nothing too heavy, just filling in the sparse areas with a brow pencil and brushing them out for soft, natural look. And here's the finished look. The pulled out braid out paired with this soft glowing makeup is giving everything. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know if you like this video. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video.